Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Alright, so in this video today, here I am at the Dollar General, just looking around to see what they have. Come on with me, guys. Now I'm going to show you as much as I can in this store. They never seem to be stocked, but this area here seems to be okay. Let's take a look, guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now that sign over there said 50% off, so everything seems to be like all piled up on top of each other, but you know what? Let's take a look because I just love shopping. So I'll see you at the end of the video. Alright, so very small area, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.